Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy. Hello, good afternoon guys. Today in this video, we'll see how you can delete all the unused cells in the Excel sheet. See here, if you observe in the column sheet from C to so on, I'm not using, and from the row from 9 to so on, I'm not using. So if you want to keep up to this portion of the sheet, you can do that, but you cannot delete, but actually you can hide them. First of all, select the column from which you want to delete or hide. So I selected C, and now I need to press and hold on control key plus shift key and the right arrow key at the same time. Control plus shift plus right key, so that at the end of the page, until the end of the page, all the columns get selected. Now I need to right click on that and I need to click on hide, so all the columns get hidden. Likewise, I'll click the ninth row and it is selected. Now you need to same press and hold on control plus shift plus down key. Now control plus shift plus down key, so that all the rows get selected. Right click on that, click on hide. So in this way, only this portion, wherever the data is, up to that portion we are keeping, all the other cells we are hiding. So in this way you can delete or hide both ways, in the column wise and in the row wise, such that the only thing which appears is the cells which have the data. And one thing I want to ask you is, if you have any questions regarding this Excel sheet, you can ask in the comments. And I have did some videos on VBA scripting, see Visual Basic scripting, for automation of few things. So if you have questions on that part also, please do ask in the comments. I am happy to answer them or do another tutorial video on that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.